Hello everybody, I'm Rodrigo and I'm here today to talk about the TA-MODULATOR, the installation and the adjustment of the valve. First, let's talk about the installation. Well, to install the valve is very easy. You just follow the arrow in the body of the valve and put it in the correct position. And how to adjust it? To adjust, you can do manually or electronically. If you do manually, use the catalog or the high-tune app to define the position of the valve related to the design flow. And then you adjust the flow to the knob in the top of the valve. You can see here that the flow is changing as I move the knob. After the adjustment, you just screw the actuator at the body of the valve. You don't need any special tool for that. You just do it manually. The second option would be electronically. To adjust the TA slider electronically, just screw it, make sure the valve is fully open, and put the actuator at the valve. And then use your cell phone again and connect the TA dongle at the actuator using the high-tune app.